been a lifelong teetotaler, so I'm not going to show you how to mix up a drink, but as a West Virginian, I thought I might show you something better. How to make a pepperoni roll.
I've always wanted to be on a cooking show.
I'm hungry now.
The primary ingredient that you need for pepperoni rolls is a West Virginia mom. Meet your mother for this show. Now that we've got that little bit of goofiness out of the way, let's get to work.
Mixing up the pepperoni and cheese.
The main ingredients are cheese, pepperoni, and bread. Flour to make the bread. You don't want to make a pepperoni roll unless you make the bread from scratch, because it's better that way. So we're going to do that right now, and we'll be back with you in a few. Oh no, we're not socially distant. Once the dough is rolled into a ball, you flop it in the bowl, cover it up, and let it rise.
This is the way we've always done it here. So
Okay,
this is the way we're going to do it.
What does Grandma do? When you can't figure out what you're going to do, you call Grandma.
Hello?
Hey Mom,
Hey,
we're having a pepperoni roll emergency.
put them in the pan, but don't bake them and let them rise for about 10 or 15 minutes.
You make it into a ping pong sized ball. Then you put in some right here in the middle. And then you fold it over. So you bring it over so you're making like a little bed for the pepperoni and the cheese. Try to put as much pepperoni and cheesy goodness inside as you can fit. Do you even know how to do it?
You just plop it in. But
After you get them made, you put them in the pan, let them rise a little bit longer before you cook them. Now the big reveal. The last step is to put butter on the top of the rolls. And the last test is the taste test. Go for it. Speak!
Okay, so you want to videotape me mixing this?
It's been going.
Now I understand why you were really quiet.
We got a big dog, big dog.
Yeah, because it was a TikTok and I was by myself. Oh, you can do however you want.